Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fenix 6 to your phone. First, make sure your Garmin Fenix 6 watch is fully charged and powered on. Next, grab your smartphone and download the Garmin Connect app from your app store. Once installed, open your phone settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the foundation for your watch and phone to communicate seamlessly. We're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have the app, open Garmin Connect and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Inside the app, navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device. Simultaneously, on your Fenix 6, go to its settings, then Phone, and choose Pair Phone to put it into pairing mode. This action makes your watch discoverable by your phone, allowing the Garmin Connect app to find and recognize it for the next stage of the connection. With your Fenix 6 in pairing mode, you should now see it appear in the list of available devices within the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Tap on your Fenix 6 to select it. A 6-digit passkey will then display on both your watch and your phone. Confirm that these numbers match. Once confirmed, the app will finalize the connection and begin the initial synchronization of your activity data and settings. This ensures all your information is up to date. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your smartphone and your Fenix 6 watch, then try again. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the connection. For the best results, keep your phone and watch within a few feet of each other during the entire pairing procedure. Following these tips will help establish a stable and reliable connection for your daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.